Woke up, I wanted to go out of my van. I don't have any boots with me. I don't want to take my shoes off. So I'm gonna have to do some acrobatics. Hola, ¿qué tal? We are back in España. Woo. They say in Spanish, nosotros estamos en España. Hey. Good morning, guys. Yesterday, my airco broke. Well, probably not yesterday, but somewhere last week or this week, my airco broke. And I'm gonna try and fix it. I'm gonna take it apart, look at the parts, and try to find some parts online I can order, like on Amazon or something, because they have these Amazon lockers. I can make it send to a locker, and maybe I can repair my airco here. So the parts that need to be replaced are behind here. The air filter should be accessible via only this panel under here, and but the other module I have to replace, I think it's called the resistor, is behind here. So I need to take everything out. That's gonna be that's gonna be a challenge. But the thing is, the faster I do this, the faster I can order parts, and the faster it's gonna be fixed. So I just have to get on with it. T20. This is over here. It's difficult to see, but this is the part that needs to be replaced, and here should be the air filter inside. Maybe it's a smart thing to first disable the airbag before I continue. There's an airbag here. Just come to the side, off, and that should be off now, just in case. You never know if it will go off randomly. Yeah, somewhere in there. There's a little tab behind here. That you can press, if you can see. Little tab behind here. It's the same here. Yeah, there are little metal tabs you have to push down, and then it comes out. Perfect. This here is another screw. Alrighty, I got it off. It looks really complicated, This is the part I need. This is the thing I think is broken. The filter is behind here. I also want to replace the filter. How did I get this panel off? The last few clips, the one here, here, here and here, are all these metal clips that you have to push with the screwdriver or pull really hard. But be careful with this one, because you can see I bend it a little bit. This one is the most difficult one. So here you can also see I damage a little bit, so be careful. Now I'm going to remove the filter and the parts, and then I know what I will need. I think it's a 10 socket. This is, oh, this is way too big. Good thing I bought my big work case. I have these different sizes, so let me try one of these. Bro, now the 6 is not working, so it's smaller than a 6. Oh, bro, this is dirty. Okay, so I have no clue how I'm gonna get it off. It's like smaller than a 6 but bigger than a 5, so maybe a 6.5, but I don't think that exists. So or I have to go to the store and buy one, or I figure something out. I don't know, I'm so confused. So the genius way I got it to work, I stuffed it with cardboard till it was really tight. It worked. I got it off. Now I can probably pull it out, yes, like this. And according to my research, this should be the problem. What's really rusted. Don't know if it's supposed to look like this, but this looks really bad. Really old and really bad. Now for the air filter. I don't know how you're supposed to get it out. Oh, so much dirt. Oh my god, look at this. This is dirty. Oh my god. What the fuck? I just had a shower at this gas station. Really nice, really lovely people. Felt amazing. I also done some research on different air filters on Amazon, because Amazon can ship them to one of their lockers, and then I can just pick it up. So I have like this whole list of all the filters that could fit my Volkswagen. I don't mind spending a little bit more for a good filter. I think it's gonna be worth it to have like a really good filter. But I don't think it really matters. I can get it delivered tomorrow if I do express. I have to pay a little bit more, but I'm not gonna drive like 3 or 4 more days with this open, because it's just annoying. So I also found this. This is the resistor I need. The resistor is the exact same one I had in the car, so I'm also gonna order this one. And I think that's gonna be perfect. So let's order the parts and hopefully they arrive tomorrow. And then I can fix it. It's not. Alright, I got the goods. Also something else broke. The other thing that broke was my USB charger, because I had really long cable and sometimes when I sleep I lay on top of the cable and it like damaged the USB port. So I also ordered another one of those. And that was easy. That's really nice that you can just order stuff off Amazon and pick it up wherever you are. Pretty convenient. It's amazing walk. This like goes along the whole coast. There's like little buildings, little bridges to go over these, whatever these are, like a mud fields. It's pretty relaxing walk. It's like a half hour to the car. I could park closer, but I found a good parking place. This one is an upgrade. I have one extra more hole. And it works again. It's charging. So, the filter I got comes with a handy guide that tells me which way the air will flow for which type of car. Mine is of course the Volkswagen T5, so we just go to Volkswagen. This one, and it shows you the air flows that way, just from here to here. So I just need to get my filter. Look at the direction, flow, and I have to insert it. This is the old one. This is the new one. And if I'm not mistaken, there's only one way for it to go in. It goes in here. First I need to attach this like this. I don't know if I can do this with one hand. I'll try. Yes, and then it goes in right here. Perfect. Now I have to bolt everything together and hopefully it works. Before I install everything back, I'm gonna give everything a really good clean, because well, it's out now and you can see how dirty it is. It's like the best, because it's not gonna be off for another year until I replace the filter again. So it's a good thing to clean everything, also the panels. And you can see the amount of dirt that's coming off it, so it's not a bad thing that I'm doing it. as you can see, everything is nice and back together and clean. Now comes the test if it actually worked or not, because I still have not tested it. It works. I can do 1 speed, 2 speed, 3 speed, 4 speed. I have control again, it worked. So the problem was in fact the resistor. So if you have the problem yourself, check the resistor first if it looks broken. Change the filter and you're good to go. I'm so happy right now.